Hello everyone, and welcome to OutsourceAIReviews beginner tutorial on Sudowrite, your AI-powered story writing assistant. Today we're diving deep into the functionalities of this innovative AI writing tool, so let's get started. First things first, if you're new to Sudowrite, you'll need to create an account. Simply click on the link provided in this video's description, which will take you straight to the Sudowrite homepage. Once there, look for the button labeled Try Sudowrite for free, and give it a click. A sign-up window will pop up, offering you several options. You can either use your Google or Facebook account, or register with your email address. Once you're all set up, you'll be redirected to your brand new Sudowrite account. Now let's talk interface. On the right-hand side, you'll find a panel filled with useful tips and tricks to optimize your Sudowrite experience. And if you're a customization enthusiast, you'll love the gear icon at the top right corner. Clicking on it will take you to the settings area where you can tweak preferences like font type, size, theme, and more. Projects in Sudowrite are organized in a card view, making it super easy to navigate. To start a new project, just click on the plus new button. This will take you to the main Sudowrite interface, which consists of three major components: the left column for document organization, the center for your primary writing area, and the right side, which displays Sudowrite's AI-generated insights, prompts, and suggestions. At the top of the interface, you'll find various options to enhance your writing journey. The right option is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll see suggestive cards on the right side, offering insights into potential story progressions. And if you're feeling a bit stuck, there's the auto mode. Here, Sudowrite uses your existing content to generate recommendations for your next steps. But if you want a more hands-on approach, the guided mode is your best bet. One of my favorite features is Created Write. This tool scans your document and offers up to 3 potential story ideas. Plus, with the tone shift option, you can easily adjust the style of your writing, and for those who like to fine-tune, the Write settings lets you adjust the level of creativity, regulate the number of cards produced, and even set a desired word length for each card. But that's not all. Sudowrite also offers a describe feature. Want to add some flair to your text? Just select a word or phrase and describe. We'll provide you with creative alternatives. And if you're aiming for sensory-rich descriptions, you can select from sensory domains like sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. If you're looking to rephrase or change the tone of a particular section, the rewrite function is perfect. Just highlight the text you want to transform, and Sudowrite will offer alternative suggestions. And for those brainstorming sessions, the Brainstorm tool is a lifesaver, generating ideas related to your current topic. Under the More option, you'll find tools like Shrinkray for condensing text, Twist for adding unexpected plot developments, Characters for generating a diverse cast, and Poem for crafting contemporary free verse poems. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine a scenario with a border collie named Chaucer searching for his owner, Samantha, on a crisp autumn day in Ohio. Input this into Sudowrite and watch as the tool crafts a captivating narrative. Building your story is a breeze. Just input the details, click Write, and select the story card that fits your vision. You can also give your story a title for better organization. In conclusion, Sudowrite is a dynamic companion for all your writing needs. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, this tool is a game changer. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to register. We hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. We always make it a priority to respond. Thanks for tuning in and happy writing.